Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the short notice of this. I just got a phone call that my mom was going to go to the hospital. She's doing better now. I don't know much about it, so please behave for my sub. My goal is to be back today. You might see me at practice. And again, I'm sorry. I hope you had a great spring break. Ask Miss Hall any questions if you have anything. And yeah, just going to be a little frantic of notes, so I apologize about that. Going through this unit, today is not too bad of a day. So here we go on talking about exponential. So exponential means that we have x in the exponent. So you're going to kind of see f of x equals a, so that a is a number. Then you're going to see b, and then it's going to have x attached to it in the exponent. Okay, that's a big thing, that x is attached in the exponent. And then you have to be able to look at an equation and say, hey, this is growth or this is decay. And the way that we tell that is that b value, if b is bigger than 1, then it's growth. Okay? Another way might be like if it's 1 plus a percent. If b is smaller than 1, then that is decay, or 1 minus a percent. That 1 plus 1 minus percent we'll be talking about another day, but let's just talk about the b being bigger than 1, or sorry, we're going to be talking about that percent thing here in a little bit, but let's talk about the b bigger than 1 or smaller than 1. So looking at these three examples, we have equations with a lot of weird looking numbers. Whenever you're deciding if it's growth or decay, you only look at the ones with the x attached to it. The other number really doesn't matter right now. So 1/3 is smaller than 1, so we just write decay with it. 1.75 is bigger than 1, so we write growth. Okay, so looking at an example 3, I want you guys to write down if it's growth or decay. And 5/4 is what we're paying attention to. And hopefully you wrote growth for that. Okay, so the next part we're going to be dealing with that 1 plus or 1 minus percent part. So remember, whenever we change a percentage to a decimal, we are moving, like we're dividing the percent divided by 100, or we're going to move the decimal to the left 2 places. Okay, so 12% becomes 0.12. All right, and then we're going to deal with that growth and decay, the 1 plus or the 1 minus a percent. So I'm kind of going to combine those together. So A is our starting value. Then the 1 plus or minus a percent, that's our B value, or what we call the multiplier. And then X is how long? Or time. Okay, so again, you can go back, rewind, pause, all that stuff. First, let's talk about writing 11% as growth. So 11% changes to 0.1. And since it's growth, it'd be 1 plus 0.11. So our B value is, when we type that into the calculator, is 1.11. Now we're talking about decay. So first we need to change that 7.6 to a decimal. So 0.076, because we have to move that 2 spaces to the left. And decay is 1 minus 0.076. So you're going to want to type that into your calculator. And that equals 0.0924. So 0.5 decay. First off, that's going to be come on, pen. 0.005. And we'll subtract that. So our B value is 0.995. Okay, so let's use that in a word problem. And you will do all of the homework. Again, asking Miss Hall any questions that you have, if she's there. So, thanks to conservation efforts, the bear population in the national forest has increased. So, increased, that is our key to know that we're going to use growth for that. So, the starting out amounts of the population for bears are, is the 1884. Okay, then our B value is going to be 1 plus that 20%, so 0.2. So that equals 1.2. And then we have to figure out how long. The first measurement is 2017 and the last one is 2022. So for our x, you're going to do 2022 minus 2017. And that's going to be 5 years. So with all of that, we're going to make our formula. Remember, we have a, b to the x that we did earlier. So it's 1884. Then we put 1.2 in parentheses. And to the 5th power. And we figure out how many bears out there is going to be. Which bears have beaks? That would be 4,688 bears. All right, so I want you guys to do the 9 problems. Again, just try them. We'll go over them. Hopefully I'm back tomorrow. Thank you guys again for behaving with this sub. Welcome back. And yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.